How's it going, everyone? This is Eric from allthingsfloor.com. In today's video, we're going to be talking about whether or not bamboo floors are a good flooring type for your basement. Now, you may be surprised to find out that we actually think that this could be a pretty good match. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about our 5 reasons why we think bamboo floors and basements mix well. Now, we'll try to do our best to give you all the information that you'll need in this video, but you'll find much more information on our site at allthingsfloor.com, where we have a separate article dedicated to this topic, where you'll have our 5 reasons plus additional reasons why bamboo floors can work in your basements, and understanding some of the things that you should be on the lookout for before making your final decision. Now, in general, bamboo floors have many of the characteristics that make it a really good choice for your basement. And really, it's due to its durability, because of its sturdiness, because of the selection, and because of the scratch resistance, especially when compared to other wood floor types or hardwood floors. So before we move forward into our other reasons why, or our primary reasons why we think that bamboo floors and basements mix well, there are a few things that you need to consider before getting into those reasons. The first thing is, what kind of room is your basement going to be? While some people simply use their basements as a game room or a room for kids to go downstairs and play, we also see instances where people are using their basements as an additional guest suite or additional room in general. And in those rooms, you'll typically find a full bathroom and sometimes even a kitchen. And while we have a separate article dedicated to bamboo floors and bathrooms, we typically don't suggest that you install bamboo floors in a bathroom. And that's because of the amount of water that it'll come in contact with. Sometimes kitchens can be okay, but in general, if you're using bamboo floors in your basement, just be sure that you're only installing it in the general living area, and if there is a bathroom downstairs, try to keep away from bamboo floors. The second thing you'll want to consider are the average humidity and the average temperature in your basement. And we say this because it might be very difficult for your bamboo floors to get acclimated to the environment in the basement if there are huge fluctuations in those two measurements. So those are really easy to measure, and we definitely suggest that you do that before moving forward. And lastly, you'll want to check the drainage and irrigation of your lot. This is really important because in some instances, there are yards that have a slope that goes from their backyard to their basement, or other areas of their yard to their basement. And this is important because you'd hate for there to be some kind of water buildup or flooding in your yard, and for that water to seep into your basement and ruin your bamboo floors. Now that we got those covered, let's get into our 5 reasons why we think bamboo floors are a great option for your basement. If you think about most basements, you're typically thinking about a dark space, a space that has very little light coming through. And so what bamboo floors can do is really offer an option that can help give you a more light or earthy feel to the space. And bamboo floors come in options that can really help to lighten up your basement and really set it apart from other basements that you're used to. Number 2, you don't have to sacrifice the look you're going for. So most people count bamboo floors out because they think that there isn't a huge selection of colors or textures. When in fact, when you think about all the different types of strand woven bamboo, all the different types of bamboo floors that are engineered that are offered, it's really easy to find something that you're looking for. In fact, you can probably find the same range of selection with bamboo floors that you find in other wood floors and other hardwood flooring types. On our site, we have information related to the durability of bamboo floors. And so our third reason why we think bamboo floors are a great option for basements is because of that durability. And obviously this depends on the type of activities that you expect to take place in your basement, but it's never wrong to go with a durable, sturdy option that's going to last you for years. And bamboo floors do offer that. As we've mentioned in other videos, and as we mentioned on our site, on the Janka scale, bamboo tends to rank pretty highly when compared to other woods in terms of hardness. So a great option for those who are looking for durability. Our 4th reason has to do with how easy it is to install bamboo floors over concrete. Now, bamboo floors can be installed over concrete using either the floating method or the glued-on method, and both are very easy. So if you're looking for a way to get your floors installed in a day or two, sometimes can be done in even half a day depending on the size of your basement, then bamboo floors would be great for you. And finally, bamboo floors are extremely scratch resistant. So very similar to what we mentioned when it comes to durability, if you're looking to have pets downstairs or tons of activities or kids that are using sharp toys or sharp objects, hopefully not too many sharp objects, then you're likely going to come across instances where there's going to be a bit of rubbing of harder materials against your floors, and bamboo floors tend to be much more scratch resistant than other wood flooring types. Now, quickly before we end the video, we think it's important that you understand some of the potential drawbacks when it comes to installing bamboo floors in your basement. Number one, and most important, is that the manufacturer or brand could potentially void the warranty based on the room it's being installed in. One of these rooms can be your basement, so make sure you check the packaging or the manufacturer's website just to make sure that if your floors are installed in basements, that your warranty is still in place. Finally, be sure that you check the humidity level. Even though it sounds like we're repeating ourselves here, this is extremely important. Even though bamboo floors are known for the antimicrobial properties, it is actually possible that bamboo floors can begin to grow mold or mildew over time. So be sure to check on this in case you need to think twice about installing bamboo floors or think twice about purchasing a dehumidifier for your basement. Again, we hope that this video gives you all the information that you need to make a final decision. If you're still looking for more information about bamboo floors and other flooring types, we've got plenty more information at allthingsfloor.com. Till next time.